Hello everyone, it's me lang sa Fan. Welcome back to my channel. And if bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Before nga pala mag-start yung video natin is thank you nga pala kasi 500 subscribers na tayo. So anyway, abangan nyo yung mga pag-giveaway if aabot na tayo ng 1,000, okay? So I really appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel. So for today's video ay mag-Watson's haul tayo, okay? So kahapon kasi plano ko lang talaga is magpa-haircut, okay? So unfortunately hindi ako nakapag-haircut best kasi yung barbershop katabi niyang stall or katabi niyang building is Watson's. So yung mata ko best, you know, na temp. So yun ang nangyari. Kaya ubos na naman ang pera. Yun na nga guys, pumunta ako kahapon sa Watson's and then may mga kailangan din naman akong bilhin. So alam niyo naman ang Watson's guys, di ba? Nandun na lahat ng mga kailangan niyo in terms of personal hygiene, in terms of medicine, nandun na lahat in terms of skincare. At alam niyo naman ang Watson's guys, di ba? Kahit tissue paper lang yung bibilhin niyo, lalabas ka na with tissue paper, foundation, makeup, skincare products at iba pa, di ba? Na-scam mo yung sarili mo best. Pero it's still worth it guys, di ba? Kasi mga pangangailangan din naman natin yun guys, di ba? So anyway, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's start with my Watson's haul. Ito yung Watson's bag ko. Bawal na kasi plastic dito sa city namin kasi may city ordinance na bawal yung mga plastic. My first product is shave. Okay. Alam niyo naman, kailangan natin yung shave, di ba? If tumataas na yung mga bigote natin. So, my second product is ito, nose pore strip. Ayan. It removes blackheads or whiteheads sa nose area nyo, okay? Ito yung ano niya. It 10 strips yung ano. Ayan. Pero tatanggalin mo pa yan and then ilagay mo sa nose mo. Okay. It's really effective. Ginagamit ko to siya before I go to sleep. Okay. So, ayan. Third product natin is ito, Gluta-C Facial Serum. Ayan. This is for nighttime. Meron ding for morning na facial serum ito. But I only bought this kasi hindi naman ako nagsiserum during daytime. Okay. So, ginagamit ko to after I apply a toner on my face. Okay. This helps in also eliminating dark spots sa face natin. Okay. So, yan. This is really a good product for. So, our next product is the Pond's White Beauty Facial Foam. Okay, so since high school ko pa to ginagamit guys, as in kasi I really love it kasi it cleanses your face and at the same time it gives you that pinkish white glow. Okay, so ang gusto ko rin sa product na to is matagal siyang maubos. Okay, as in p-size lang yung ginagamit ko, ina-apply sa face ko kasi madali siyang mag-spread. Okay, so I really love this product. So our next product is the Dove soap. Ayan, pink. Meron ding blue nito. So what I really love about this product is na moisturize talaga yung body mo, okay, or kahit sa face. Minsan ito din yung ginagamit ko sa face ko kasi meron siyang moisturizing effect. Okay, so may iba kasing soap na kapag ina-apply mo siya sa face mo is nagda-dry yung skin mo. Okay, so ito, it has a moisturizing effect. Okay, moisturizer na rin siya at the same time. Next product is the Gluta-C toner. Ayan, I already made a review about this product, so you guys can check it out. So my next product is the hairspray. Ayan, Glamworks hairspray. Ginagamit ko to if ever wala akong clay do or wax, hair wax. So ito yung ginagamit ko, okay? So I really love it din. And then our next product is ito. Shave to para sa eyebrows natin, okay? So if gusto niyo mo-forma yung eyebrows nyo, you should buy this one kasi it's really helpful, okay? This product is the Everbelina Lip and Cheek Tint. Ayan. This is usong-uso sa mga senior high dyan, okay? This is an Uptown Red na color. Meron ding mas lighter nito na color, okay? I really love it kasi matagal din siyang maubos. And lastly, we have the Watson's Milk and Salt Scrub. Ayan. I really love this product talaga. Okay, I'm gonna make a review about this one soon, so abangan nyo yan guys, okay? So I guess that's it for now. So if may mga katanungan kayo or mga suggestions, please feel free to comment down below, okay? So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!